If you have been wanting to make money from YouTube Shorts, well, today is your lucky day. YouTube Shorts monetization begins starting February 1st, 2023. That means you can start making ad revenue from your YouTube Shorts. But there's a few details in the fine print that we need to look at that will impact everybody on YouTube, not just Shorts creators. So, starting in mid-January 2023, there will be a new way for you to join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from ad revenue on your videos. So the first way is the same that it's always been. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and you need to have 4,000 watch hours on your videos over the past 12 months. Okay, but the new YouTube Shorts monetization way will be to have 1,000 subscribers and to have 10 million Shorts views over the past 90 days. And the good news is that starts right now. Shorts views started counting towards this 10 million back in October 2022. So from now on, every view you get on your YouTube Shorts will count towards the 10 million views that you need to get monetized. Okay, now here is how this is going to affect everybody, not just Shorts creators. Starting February 2023, all new and existing creators in the YouTube Partner Program will become eligible for revenue sharing on ads that are viewed between YouTube Shorts and in the Shorts feed. So that is pretty cool. If you're already in the YouTube Partner Program, you will automatically be eligible to earn ad revenue from Shorts. Nice. But here's the weird thing. YouTube is going to make everybody sign some new updated YouTube Partner Program terms starting in mid-January 2023. So apparently, everyone who is already in the YouTube Partner Program is going to have to accept a new agreement with new terms to start earning ad revenue from Shorts. Even if you don't plan on making Shorts at all, it sounds like you're still going to have to accept these new terms to stay in the YouTube Partner Program. So from the sound of it, you definitely want to make sure that you read and accept these new terms when they're available starting mid-January 2023 to make sure that you stay enrolled in the YouTube Partner Program and keep earning money. So what are the new terms? Well, nobody knows just yet, but I will let you know if there's anything you need to be concerned with as soon as we find out, which is why you should hit that subscribe button. Now, before we go any further, I have to give a huge shout out to Lucas. Congratulations, Lucas. You have won the random subscriber shout out. Thank you so much, Lucas, for subscribing to my channel. I really hope these videos are helping you make money on YouTube, and I really appreciate it. Want me to shout out your channel? Well, subscribe and comment down below on this video, and maybe I'll shout out your channel in the next video. So what else is in the new YouTube Shorts monetization update? YouTube is also going to make it easier for everyone to start making money with things like Super Chat and channel memberships. We'll be introducing lower eligibility thresholds for YouTube Partner Program creators to access fan funding even earlier, such as Super Thanks, Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel memberships. These new eligibility thresholds for fan funding will start sometime in 2023 and apply to long-form video, live stream, and Shorts content. More info to come. Now make sure you listen to this. Mistakes to avoid. Now, in order to get monetized with YouTube Shorts, you need to make sure that you aren't just uploading other people's content to your channel. I see this so much, and you need to know that you can't do that. Listen to this from YouTube. Examples of ineligible videos include non-original videos like unedited clips from movies or TV shows, and re-uploading other creators' content from YouTube or other platforms with no original content added. And that is the important part that a lot of people get wrong. They either think that you can't ever use anybody else's content on your videos, or they think that you can just upload full content from somebody else without editing it. Both of those are wrong. The truth is in the middle there. You can use other people's content, but you have to add original value to the video. YouTube does let you use clips from other people's content, but you have to transform it and make it unique. One way to do this is put your own unique voiceover on top of the clips, and it also helps if you only use a clip for about 15 seconds max at a time before you cut to something else. That's just a tip. Here's a good question. Will I automatically start making money if I get enough views and subscribers? The answer is no. You have to apply to the YouTube Partner Program and then be accepted. You will generally be accepted if you don't break any of YouTube's rules. You will be able to apply to the Partner Program starting mid-January 2023 if you meet the requirements that we talked about earlier. Here's another good question. If I'm already in the YouTube Partner Program, will I automatically start making ad revenue on my shorts? The answer is no. You will also have to sign the new terms and the new agreement that YouTube will release starting mid-January 2023. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss more videos about making money on YouTube. And if you want to know more about how you can make money with YouTube Shorts, click here to watch this video.